We've made our way to Nuwara Eliya, a city in the old tea country hills of central Sri Lanka, where we're laying low for just a couple days enjoying the cooler mountain air. But even so, we've got a few things we need to get done today, like find a mechanic to do Tipsy's routine checks, send off some important mail at the iconic Nuwara Eliya post office.
We hope this gets to you.
And head up to the highest village in Sri Lanka. But just in case you're new here, we're Drew and Isabel, and we've rented this tuk-tuk for the entire month and are exploring everything that Sri Lanka has to offer. From its hidden gems to some of the most popular things to do around this tiny, yet gorgeously diverse island. So pack your bags, cause we got a long road ahead of us.
Thank you.
Before we head out for the morning, I wanted to show you guys where we're staying. It's very cute. It's a little guest house we found on booking.com. We're kind of staying in a separate guest house attached to a family's home, and to get there you take this beautiful path, and we've got a garden on the outside of our little home. Look at this. So much green, and of course, oh my gosh, we've got a hummingbird. Oh, it's like a baby bird. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I don't think we'll be sitting here, although it is a cute touch. Welcome to our little guest home. So it's kind of nice. There is 2 rooms, so usually we could have people staying with us, but we're the only ones here, which means we have this entire couch to ourselves. We've been kind of doing work on it, catching up on some things. Here's one of the rooms, kind of small. We got a slightly bigger room right here. Oh,
There's a spider coming down from the ceiling wall.
So here's our bed, place to hang our things. We've got a little table, a little window so you can hear the frogs at night or during the day. It's a cute little old home. They've painted it some fun colors, you know, made it a little bit more comfy for guests. We've got a water filter here, which have not seen anywhere else in Sri Lanka. Place to wash our dishes. And here is the coffee setup in the morning, and then a bathroom. Whoop. Which actually does have hot water, which is good because it's a little bit colder in Nuwara Eliya. So standard toilet. A good mood starts with coffee and tea. So cute. Like, it's just the little details, you know. It's an older house, but they've made it really sweet. They have flowers for us here. We love it.
We do love it.
As the tuk-tuk's heating up, we'll fill you in on our plan. We were originally gonna walk up to Eagle's Nest Viewpoint, which is about an hour to 2 hours walking, but we're a little behind, and based on the sudden downpour of yesterday, we don't wanna get caught in that and be on top of a mountain and have to walk down a couple hours. And we also have a lot to do. Besides that, we wanna go into town because it's supposed to be beautiful. We need to grease the wheels on the tuk-tuk, we need to get gas.
And the last and most important thing we need to do today, in case you missed our last video, is we met a very sweet lady about 2 days ago who is deaf. She is very short, as you can see here. Her family was telling us that she's had a very hard time, but she's very popular with tourists because she's one of the smallest ladies. People will stop and take photos with her, and we did that as well. And she brought out this bag of photos who people from all over the world had sent her, and she gave us her address. And so we're gonna go to a digital printing center hopefully and get her a couple photos printed out and then mail them to her, because she holds this baggie full of photos dear to her heart and we need to send them. So that's the plan for the day. Busy one for sure.
Hello.
First stop, we need gas.
Boom, one thing done. So now we've got to climb,
All right,
which means we're gonna be putting Tipsy to the test again.
especially with the tires that need to be greased.
Oh yeah, and with her sputtering the other day.
Yeah.
And away we go. We've pulled over. There's a problem with Tipsy. I don't know exactly what it is, but she will not go over 30 kilometers per hour. She just starts to like... So we needed to grease the tires. You do that every 1,000 kilometers. So we're gonna take her to a shop and I guess hopefully explain to the person that this is happening and hopefully they can fix it. And TukTukRental.com, they provide a map of like activities and things, but it also has mechanics, either that they know or that have been used by other customers. So we'll just find a trusted mechanic close by and it'll be easy peasy. So we've got a mechanic right here, recommended for one of our customers.
This whole traveling thing is so funny because I swear some days go exactly according to plan, and then other days it's like we have this plan and it's supposed to be perfect, and then just one little thing goes wrong and it kind of changes the whole vibe of the day.
Days with plans never work out. The best days...
They do some, like sometimes it goes so well and like everything that we plan is perfect, and then other days it's like literally the smallest thing changes the
10
entire
minutes,
day.
yeah, 10 minutes in, we're like, nope.
We really just don't know what's gonna happen ever. So Drew just walked down the road to see if there's a tuk-tuk servicing place. Someone had put a pin on the tuk-tuk rental app saying that there was a service location, but we don't see anything, which means we might have to go to the other one. It's gonna turn into a whole day of chasing places that don't exist.
I talked to the tuk-tuk drivers. They showed me where they think it is, and it's next to UK Motors, which says it's an auto parts store.
Sounds promising.
I agree. It's a couple minute drive, so we either head there or we head to the place on TukTuk's map.
I trust the locals.
All right, so we go.
Maybe we can add a new place to the map.
Yeah. Let's see if they can help us out. He said greasing the wheels might fix the stuttering issue. He said it'll take 30 minutes, so we're gonna leave it with him for 30 minutes, let him grease it up, and then come back, and I guess we'll try to go to Eagle View and see what happens.
So we've left the tuk-tuk. Goodbye, Tipsy.
Bye, Tipsy.
She'll be okay. This actually gives us time to go try to print out those photos now. We might end up having a more efficient day than we would have if we first went to Eagles Rock.
Print shop.
Oh my God, it's right here, seriously?
Yeah. All right, in we go.
So we found the print shop and they said they can print them out for us. Should just take a few minutes here, I think. So good start.
Dream World.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can do whatever you think. So this worked out surprisingly well. The print shop we went into, everyone has been fantastically helpful and nice. And we got our photo prints.
Janky, she's so cute.
She is a tiny woman. And this is her family. So we'll send them one of each, and then we're keeping a copy for ourselves.
We just checked on Tipsy and she's looking good. She's
Getting done
greased.
up.
Yep, so
Getting greased.
now we're headed to the post office to deal with this. They were super nice in that digital printing shop. I'm happy we went there. And it was only, what, like?
It cost $300 total, so.
300 rupees?
Yeah, so $1
Wait,
to print.
just 300.
Yes, $300,
Oh my
so
God,
$1.
that is so cheap.
They showed us some of the other stuff they do. They do like full photo shoots and photo books, so we probably won't, but we might send them our Sri Lanka photos and have them make a book.
It only costs 15,000 rupees for like a big hard case book.
So it'd be like $50, and they
Which,
design it, put it together, really nice. Be cool.
I love the prices here.
So Nuwara Eliya is also called Little England. Back when the British ruled Sri Lanka, this was essentially like a retreat city for important people because it was cooler. And so they built up like a race course here. They built a golf course. They have British style architecture. So it's gotten the name Little England, and it has a unique look and style to the place, which you'll see when we get to the post office.
The Nuwara Eliya post office might just be the highlight of the city. I know that sounds crazy, it's a post office for crying out loud, but it's not just any post office. It's actually one of the oldest in the country, and it makes for quite a fast and painless experience. The staff was super helpful and nice, and we got to send our postcards with these cute little butterfly stamps. Now, I wouldn't usually tell you to go spend time at the post office, but if you do come to Nuwara Eliya, do come here. Send a postcard to friends or family and enjoy Sri Lanka's best post office. Okay, we're sending this to, I think her name is Janky, but it might be like Aunt Janky. We hope this gets to you. And if anyone sees her on the side of the road, make sure she sees this.
Alright, we have gotten Tipsy back, and we got 2 new spark plugs, greased the wheels, and it costs 4,300 rupees. So hopefully she's running clean, running better. We're gonna head up to Eagles Viewpoint. Well, we have made it to Shanthipura and Eagle's Nest Viewpoint. I didn't think we were gonna make it. I was a bit worried about Tipsy because she has not stopped sputtering. It was pretty steep up, but she handled the hill up fine.
Well, there was a lot of doubts because the rain would start and then stop, but we said, F it, let's just go up. If it starts raining, we'll turn around.
Yeah.
We're actually at Eagles Viewpoint, but it does cost money to go in. We didn't even look at ticket prices. There's a coffee shop inside, then you can walk up to this viewpoint.
We're not gonna be here long enough to make it worth it because
like this is the view right here. I don't know why we would.
The clouds are coming in hot right now, covering up the village. These clouds weren't here when we just arrived.
No, they're so fast.
But look at this. So behind me is Shanthipura, and this is all Nuwara Eliya. So it is a really nice view from up here. But these clouds are coming in fast. So all of this hiding below the clouds is Shanthipura, which is the highest village in Sri Lanka, which is really cool. Because it's also not super far away from Nuwara Eliya. There's Isabel walking through the fields, the tea fields. It is really nice up here. The clouds are coming in so fast.
Even with the clouds coming in, it just gives it that kind of like
it adds to
mystic look to it.
It is a really cool little village. It is about 6:30. It is our host Guyon's birthday, and after doing our cooking class last night, he invited us over to celebrate with him and his wife, Lakshmi. Let's go have ourselves a little birthday celebration. Next door, we met Guyon's friends, family, and all the pets. And although we'd met Guyon less than 48 hours ago, we were welcomed into his home like lifelong friends for an evening of good food and good drinks. After singing happy birthday, Guyon cut his cake and fed a bite to every person in the room. And after a couple glasses of whiskey, Guyon broke out his guitar.
sari mua hasarane Araniya gaya to sumi sunu